When your Richmond water heater pilot light won't stay lit, there are several common causes we need to diagnose systematically. Let's walk through the key diagnostic steps. First, ensure your gas supply is functioning properly. Check that the gas valve is fully open and there are no supply interruptions to your water heater. Next, locate and visually inspect the pilot light assembly, typically found at the bottom of your water heater tank. A healthy pilot flame should burn blue. If you see yellow or red flames, this indicates combustion problems that need attention. The most common causes of pilot light problems are a faulty thermocouple, dirty pilot tube, or airflow issues. Each requires different diagnostic approaches. Check for proper ventilation and clearances. Blocked vents or inadequate clearances can cause drafts that extinguish the pilot light. Important safety reminder: if you smell gas at any point during your diagnosis, leave the area immediately and contact a professional. Never ignore gas odors. These diagnostic steps will help you identify the most likely cause of your pilot light problem. Once you've completed this diagnosis, you'll be ready to proceed with the appropriate troubleshooting steps. The first troubleshooting step is cleaning the pilot tube and orifice. Dirt and debris commonly block these components, preventing proper gas flow to maintain the pilot flame. Next, examine and clean the thermocouple. This safety device must be properly aligned and free of corrosion to sense the pilot flame correctly. Use fine sandpaper to gently clean any buildup. After relighting the pilot, it's crucial to test for gas leaks using a soap and water solution. Apply the solution to all gas connections and look for bubbles, which indicate escaping gas. If the pilot light still won't stay lit after these troubleshooting steps, or if you detect any gas leaks, it's time to call a qualified technician. Always follow manufacturer guidelines and prioritize safety over attempting complex repairs.